So I have a car here right now. Customer complained that every time you use the brakes, brake lights or the brake pedal or the turn lights signal, the audio unit turns off. So let's try if we can I already duplicated it last time, but it's not all the time. So it's not happening. After that, I just noticed I'm just backproving. Well, I backprove the audio unit power and ground. So I just noticed that there's some noise there. I don't know if you can see it. Right now that's clean. I just want to see if it cuts out, if we're losing our voltage here on the harness side. If it is, so it's not the audio, but if it's we have maintained 12 volts there, or about battery voltage, and then after that the radio turns off, it means that there's something wrong with the audio unit. But right now, if you can see here, so much noise there. Let me see. It's like the alternator ripple. So I don't know if you can see that. Let me zoom. Let me put in more. See? And I'm reading at least 14 point, maybe 15 volts, something like that. There you go. So every time I use any electrical load, last time I was just using the window, I just force it to go up. So if I'm gonna do that, turns off and it goes back to 15 volts. I'm gonna use my brake pedal so there's more load, and I'm gonna use that thing. Now it turns off. If I'm gonna let go, it's gonna turn on, and then we have this 14.9 volts. And I just noticed in the battery terminal there's some corrosion. I'll show you. So if you can see here, there's some corrosion there, and last time when I was doing a voltage drop, I'm getting at least 1 volt from this terminal to the battery post. So let's clean that and see if our waveform is looking good or not. So as you can see, our voltage now is more stable. There's no more noise there. Well, let's try again. Let's put some loads. I'm just maintaining 14 volts. before it's not acting up now. With all the loads on. Just showing 13.4 volts, but it's okay. Let go. The loads now is 14.3. That's good. At least it's clear now. There's no more like a what do you call it, a curly waveform. So right now I'm reading at least, what's the voltage? That's 14.2 volts. So that's without load. I think that's it, guys. For me, this is fixed. It's just the importance of the good battery terminal connections, and can affect all the electrical circuits in the car. Okay guys, thank you.